Greetings from Elysian Technologies Private Limited. We are the leading telephony solution provider all over the world since 2007. We have our expertise in omni-channel contact center solution, CRM integration, help desk ticketing system, voice broadcasting, and many more. After completing successful integration with Zoho CRM, Sugar CRM, Suit CRM, vTiger CRM, and LeadSquare CRM, Elysian has come up with another integration with Salesforce. Today, I will be sharing you an integration of Salesforce CRM with VCDial. Generally, call center solution is used to take care of both inbound and outbound calling, and Salesforce CRM is used to store the information of customers or project. These solutions are used sometimes in real time during live call and sometimes once call is hung up. We offer following benefits in this integration. VCDial CTI connector with Salesforce, that is agent interface within Salesforce, so that agent don't have to use two different screen like VCDial agent panel and Salesforce panel. Entire calling function will be operating from Salesforce panel itself. Click to call in Salesforce, streamline data in both systems, data push from Salesforce to VCDial and vice versa, detailed call logs in Salesforce CRM, pop-up of the lead information page when outbound call is placed. On receiving inbound call, customer lead details will be shown in Salesforce. Let me show you how it works. Firstly, we need to log in into our Salesforce account using the login ID and the password. As soon as you log in, you will be able to view the Salesforce CRM account. Now, let's move to the integration part. On my extreme downwards, you can see an option as dial tree phone, which is the VCDial CTI connector. As soon as I click on this dial tree phone, I will see a VCDial tab open up over here and my credentials will be automatically come up over here. We can also map the credentials per user, so every user will be given their unique ID and the password and it will be filled up automatically. I just need to click on submit option. As soon as I click on submit option, I will be able to use this VCDial CTI connector for the calling part. Now I can, if I need to do the auto calling from the system, I just need to be on the available mode and I can start the auto calling. If I need to do the manual dialing, then I need to be on the pause mode and I will need to put the pause code as manual dial. So this is how I can do the manual calling. Also we can also use, or we can also receive incoming calls in this system as well. So now let me search the lead by my name only. I can see the lead over here. My number is also come up over here, so I will just click on my number and a call will be dialed automatically. I have received the call now and I'm answering the call now. As soon as I've answered the call, I am on a live call. I can park the call if I need to put the customer on hold. I can grab it once again once I have the information. Also, if at the back end you want to play any jingle or music, so we can play that as well. Now let me move to the transfer functionality option. You can do the transfer call functionality within three ways. One would be department to department. Second one would be if you want to transfer the call to any of the agent. So you can see who all agents are available over here and you can transfer the call to any live agent or available agent. Third would be the dial with customer. So this is basically we will go on a three-way conference call with me as an agent, you as a client, and the third person as my manager. Okay, so I need to dial with customer and we will be on a three-way conference call. Now if I want to leave my line only, I will just leave the three-way call and the managers and the client's call will still be on. If I want to hang up X for line, which means my manager's line, I will click on this option, and if I want to hang up both the lines, then I can I can click on this hang up both line, and I can put down the call. Now I will just hang up the call and put the hang up disposition. Also, if we are on a call and if we want to use the CRM as well at the same time, so we can use the CRM. As soon as we call, automatically the details or the page will come up over here, so you can start working on the lead in the Salesforce CRM as well at the same time. Now if your agents wants to go on a break, so what they can do, they need to click on paused mode and they can select the break as lunch, meeting, training, anything. I will click on lunch option, and this is how I am on a break now. I am on lunch break. Also, we can do pause on disposition mode. So we can do pause on disposition mode if I don't want to accept any incoming calls or do any auto calling from the system at the same time. Now let me show you one more functionality, which is click to call functionality. I'm going to the lead page now. I'm clicking on my name, and if I just click on my number, then automatically the call would be dialed on my number. I have again received the call on my number, and here I'm answering the call. So as soon as I've answered, I am in call and I'm on a live call. So this is how you can use the functionality of click to call option as well once you go to the lead page, and you can just click on the number part. So this was a short video of Salesforce CRM integration with VCDial CTI connector. Hope you like this short video. For any kind of inquiries, kindly reach out to us at contact@elysiantech.com. Thank you.